Exploring the journey. The Ferry Trip explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're setting sail on the sea of English phrases, and our focus is on understanding the phrase, ferry trip. Whether you're a seasoned language learner or just starting out, this video will enhance your English vocabulary and help you to grasp not just the meaning of these words, but also how to use them in your daily conversations. So, let's dive in and explore together. Before we embark on our ferry trip, let's first understand what a ferry is. A ferry is a type of boat or ship that carries passengers, and sometimes vehicles, across a body of water. Ferries are often used to connect areas separated by water, such as islands to the mainland or across rivers and bays. They serve as a vital transportation link for many communities around the world. Now, let's break down the phrase, ferry trip. This phrase consists of two words, ferry, which we just learned about, and trip, which refers to a journey or voyage from one place to another. When combined, ferry trip describes the experience or action of traveling by ferry. It's not just about moving from point A to point B. It's also about the journey and what you might encounter or experience along the way. To truly understand how to use ferry trip in conversation, let's see it in action with some examples. I took a ferry trip from San Francisco to Sausalito, and the views were breathtaking. She's planning a ferry trip across the English Channel next summer. During our vacation, we went on a ferry trip to visit the Statue of Liberty. Notice how ferry trip can be used to describe both the action of taking the ferry and the actual event or excursion itself. The phrase, ferry trip, also carries cultural and geographical significance in different parts of the world. In some places, a ferry trip might be a daily commute, while in others, it could be a scenic tour or crucial part of a holiday. Understanding this context can add richness to your conversations and help you connect with others' experiences. We've reached the end of our journey today, and I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, ferry trip. Now, you can confidently add this phrase to your English vocabulary and use it like a native speaker. Remember, language learning is an adventure, much like a ferry trip itself, full of new sights, sounds, and experiences. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on our next linguistic voyage. Safe travels and happy learning!